Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some pretty dramatic space news coming out of Russia. It looks like their only launch pad for sending astronauts into space has been seriously damaged. And this happened right during a liftoff. So, on Thursday, Russia launched a Soyuz rocket, sending 2 Russian cosmonauts and 1 NASA astronaut safely to the International Space Station. The mission itself was a success, which is the most important thing. The crew is safe and sound, but the launch pad they left behind? Not so much. Official footage released by Roscosmos, Russia's space agency, tells a pretty startling story. As the Soyuz rocket's powerful booster engines ignited, it appears part of the launch pad structure, specifically something called the service bay, was literally blasted apart. The video shows this massive chunk of metal and equipment collapsing and tumbling down into the huge exhaust trench below the rocket. If you look at footage from just before the launch, that trench is empty. But in overhead shots taken right after, you can clearly see the charred, twisted remains of a large structure lying at the bottom. Another clip shows debris flying up from the trench as the rocket's exhaust plume hits it, which suggests a major structural failure or even an explosion down there. So what exactly was destroyed? The service bay is a crucial part of the launch pad. It's a platform near the base that holds all sorts of critical cabling, sensors, and other important equipment. It's also the workspace where technicians access the rocket's tail section for final checks. Losing it is a big deal. Roscosmos confirmed to Russian state media that the launch pad at the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan was damaged. But they didn't go into detail about how bad it is. They did say they're assessing the situation and that all the necessary backup parts are available for a speedy repair. But how long speedy is remains a big question. It's unclear how this happened or how long it will take to fix. This is a major problem for Russia's space program because this launch pad, known as Site 31/6, is literally their only option for crewed missions right now. Baikonur actually has another, more famous launch pad called Site 1, or Gagarin Start. That's where Yuri Gagarin made history with the first ever human space flight. But that historic pad, which has been used since the 1950s, was retired from service back in 2019. There were some talks about modernizing it, but it seems those plans fell through, and now it's set to become a museum. Russia is also building a brand new spaceport on its own territory called the Vostokny Cosmodrome, but the infrastructure there for launching humans isn't finished yet. So, for the foreseeable future, Russia is left with one damaged launch pad for all its astronaut flights. This incident puts a huge question mark on their upcoming launch schedule and highlights the increasing pressure on their aging space infrastructure. It's a stark reminder of just how challenging and unforgiving spaceflight can be. Not just for the rockets, but for the very ground they launch from. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story to see how quickly Roscosmos can get the pad back in action. What do you think this means for the future of Russian spaceflight? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on all things space. See you next time.